Okay, today's video is to explain the Vlookup. Okay, today's video is a quick demonstration of the Vlookup formula. I have a table created, and what we will be doing is looking up. We will put a lookup value here that will find the corresponding result within the table. With the Vlookup, you will look for information in column 1 and bring back the column with the result that you want to show. So if you want to have a look and return a column or an answer that's in column 2, column 3 or column 4, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, to start the Vlookup, select the cell where you want the result to appear. Go to the formula bar, type in equals Vlookup. The first part answers for the lookup value. The lookup value that we want to find is here in column I, row 6. So we select that column. Next, we get the table array of information, which is over here from column B7 over to E10. Next, we select the column to return the value. So if you want to return answers in column 1, put 1, if in number 2, put in 2, if in 3, put 3, and if in 4, return 4. So in this example, we're going to put in column 2. Now we have a choice to say that we want the exact match or an approximate match. In this example, we're going to use the exact match. And then close the bracket. Press enter, and as we can see, the value for number 1, lookup value, and the result is England, which is in column 2. Next, we can change the values. So number 2 will give me Spain, number 3 will be Italy, number 4 will be Scotland. If we decide that we want the next value, which is column 3, all we have to do is go in and change this value, the column index number, from number 2 to number 3. And we can see Celtic for number 4. If I change to number 1, we can see it's Arsenal in column 2, in column 3. If we put in number 2, we can see Barcelona. And if we put in number 3, we can see AC Milan. To return column 4, again go back and change the column index number. This time we'll take number 4. And we can see that the San Siro Stadium for the lookup value number 3. So to recap, the lookup value that you are checking for should always be in the first column. Any result that you want to return, whether it's column 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to as many columns as you want, should be returned in this number. I hope this explains Vlookup for you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.